it's spring again and again and again. And now we're going to the Home Depot. So let's check out some stuff from the Home Depot spring. And we've got some tillers outside, and it's raining.
It was cold.
$7.99, is that what that said? Chipper. This would be handy for us.
Oh yeah.
Kind of expensive, $6.99. $12.99 for a wood splitter. And they had some different ones. That's a 27-ton, 37-ton. It looks like I got a 40-ton back there. I did not get the price of the 40-ton. You can look online if you need prices on any of this stuff. Okay, so there's music. We're gonna have to cut that out. And we've got, did you see a gas-powered mower?
I did not, but did we go down all the aisles?
This is where all the mowers was. I did not see, I don't believe we've seen a gas-powered mower in this store, as far as a push mower is concerned. So it's going.
They must be really going towards.
It's going electric.
Yeah.
Oh, and look at these grills from the year before. They're trying to clearance all these awesome grills. Look at that.
That is a really good price. Look at
Double
that.
play is. It's half price. I mean, this is the time to get a grill. Like before they get in the new stuff.
That's a Traeger.
Man, Traegers are so nice, but they're so expensive. So this was $2.99, and that's a Next grill. So that's like the Blackstone.
Yeah, like their version of it.
I mean that's pretty good. And look at that's about the same price as a Blackstone. It looked, I believe. They didn't have any Blackstones there, correct? I don't think I've seen any.
Yeah, I think there is.
I don't know. I can't remember. Look at all the food you can cook on those things.
You'd have to be awful careful
Now,
when you're.
we had one of those Blackstones, and
Is it this one?
no, that's a Traeger. Look how much a Traeger is.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's so expensive. But we had one, and we didn't use it. We didn't like cleaning it up.
You worry about the propane.
Yeah, it was crazy. So we've got an electric Ninja.
We
if
didn't
you could see
need
the,
that
see our
big of a
videos.
grill.
Yeah, we didn't. The grill we have now is perfect. We've already used it more than
We've
we've
used it
ever
4 times this week.
used the Blackstone. Yeah, look at all those they had. I think those was gas too, so. Look at all the pressure washers.
So I bet Lowe's is the one that can only sell Blackstones.
Well,
And Walmart.
Walmart, who knows, what kind of deals they have. $99 for a pressure washer.
Yeah. Time to get your house cleaned off, your sidewalks.
Look at this, $20 for a, and we have one that's
Black and
Decker, and it didn't work very good. That's like the worst product we've had from Black and
And usually
Decker.
everything we get from.
Is really
Yeah.
good. And look at all your storage solutions. These totes are perfect. We actually got some from
Sam's.
Sam's. $54 for a shelf. And those are like made for those totes, I believe. Like they're perfect size for those totes. $159. That's a nice big
It's
shelf.
a big price difference.
Yeah.
I didn't realize he
It's
was
just plastic.
behind me.
So, I've watched these guys in these videos, and it was 2 separate guys. They could not figure out how to get that door open. I mean, this one guy
He walks right up to it and just does it.
well, they spent like an hour trying to figure out how to open this door, this outside door to get inside. I mean, it's like, wow. And I just wanted to see if I could figure it out.
That is not a very big picture.
No, but it's really nice to have it
It
in
would
there.
fill this up maybe
Yeah.
once.
Yeah, why can't you just, they're going to start making where you just put cups in there.
Yeah.
And it's done. That's not a bad idea. Well, that's Home Depot in the spring. We really didn't see.
They didn't have a whole lot out yet. Of
Yeah.
course, this was a few weeks ago, so
Yeah,
there's probably more out
maybe
now.
There's more. we'd like to go to, if you guys would like to see us go to Lowe's, Sam's Club, Walmart, any of those stores to look on the spring stuff, just comment down below and maybe we'll make a trip. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Did you like the thumbs up? Number one?
For the thumbnail?
No. Well, the thumbnail's just going to probably be, I don't know, Home Depot and like us
Okay.
smiling. Let's do a little smile. Or maybe we point to like, who knows what I'm going to do? Like, who knows?
It's not karate.
Karate champ.
Karate.
Karate.